Jessica, look at that.
That's the bank manager, right?
Yes. Isn't that strange? He doesn't work this late at night.
That's true. I saw him drive his car out of the bank at 7 p.m.
I wonder why he is back.
Look, Paul, he's not alone.
Who are those two men?
I have no idea. I've never seen them.
Hey, look, the manager is signaling toward the camera with his eyes.
It looks like he wants us to do something.
Look at monitor 7. One guy has something in his hand.
It's a gun. He has a gun. I think the manager is telling us to call the police.
I'll call the police. You keep your eyes on them. Good morning. How may I help you?
I'm here to return the car.
Okay. Let me check the car. Well, I see some scratches on the bumper.
I bumped the wall while parking the car.
Let's see. Oh, you signed up for the insurance, so you don't have to pay any extra charges.
Oh, that's a relief.
Now let me examine the inside of the car.
Okay.
Well, the fuel tank is half empty.
Oh, I forgot to fill it up.
That's okay, but you'll have to pay for it.
Okay, no problem.
Why don't we take physics this semester?
Which one?
The one on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. by Professor Colt.
I heard his class is really hard.
Really? I have to work part-time this semester, so I won't have much time to study.
Let's take Professor Lindman's class then. His class is said to be less challenging.
I can't. I work at the school library every Thursday from 3 p.m. How about chemistry? Professor Johnson gives great lectures.
But his lectures are on Mondays at 9 a.m.
What's wrong with that?
I've already decided to take biology on Monday morning.
Well, I took biology last semester. There is only one class left we can take together.
Okay, let's take that one. Would you come over here, Steve?
Sure. Is there anything I can help you with?
I'm afraid there's something wrong with the tap.
What's the problem?
I turned off the tap, but the water is still dripping from it.
Why don't you call a plumber?
But if you fix it yourself, we can save money. I don't think it'll be that difficult.
I'm not sure if I can do that. I've never fixed a tap before.
I'll call a plumber this time, and maybe you can watch him. We're going to the ice skating show this Saturday. Why don't you join us?
I'd love to, but I have swimming practice every Saturday.
That's too bad. There will be famous skaters from all over the world, and you'll be able to see them up close.
I know. I really want to go with you.
What time is your practice?
It's from 3 to 5 in the afternoon.
Guess what? The show starts at 6. You can come directly to the ice rink after your practice.
Are you sure I'll make it in time?
I'm sure you'll make it.
When are you moving to Chicago?
I'm leaving next Monday.
Oh, so soon? What are you going to do with your apartment?
Someone's moving in this weekend.
So where are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay at my friend's place.
I see. What are you going to do with your furniture?
I'm selling everything except my TV.
Everything? Even your brand new couch?
Yeah, I'm looking for someone who wants to buy it.
Oh, I'd love to buy it.